Hey, what's up, everybody? So welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm pretty excited to tell you guys that I no longer need this gadget. Okay, so today's video, my purpose is to show you guys video film from this gadget and the video film from this gadget as well, but with the help of the Osmo Mobile 2. That is why I said I no longer need this one, because I'm pretty amazed by the capability and the result from this new gadget. I also mentioned about the video capability and the camera stabilization in my previous video. This is pretty amazing, guys. If you want to know, you can check out my video with the link above. I can't wait to show you guys the result with and without the Osmo Mobile 2. Okay, so let's check it out. As you can see, these two videos are almost the same. Can you spot the differences? Well, if you can't, let me tell you. The difference is the movement up and down of the video on the right hand side. But the general result, as you can see, is great. It is actually acceptable based on my experience, especially when I handheld filmed all my traveling videos in Korea. With this new device, I do love what I got so much. Okay, so now let's move on to another comparison, which is the running test. Well, with this comparison, the result from the right hand side seems to be a bit awkward, as you can see. Just because I keep moving the phone itself left and right all the time, since I was exhausted. But the overall result is okay for me, since I already experienced it more when I was in Korea. Check out my video if you want to know more about my trip using the iPhone 11 Pro Max with the best result of all, I can tell. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos in the future. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next videos. Thanks.